Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of premium cookware with the Enameled cast iron sauce pan, a 2-quart round sauce pot with lid that's perfect for cooking pasta sauce, marinating, and more, all in a stunning flame orange finish. Crafted from premium cast iron, this saucepan features a high-quality triple enameled coating both inside and out, offering exceptional durability against rust, scratches, and cracks, ensuring it withstands daily use for years to come. Its exceptional thermal cycling allows for even heating, while the pot cover helps seal in heat and moisture, preserving the natural flavors and tenderness of your dishes. This versatile piece is suitable for various cooking techniques, from broiling to deep frying, and is compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops, plus its oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick enamel surface, and for tougher stains, a simple soak in warm water followed by a gentle scrub will do the trick. This saucepan makes an ideal gift for passionate cooks and food enthusiasts, offering exceptional heat retention, generous capacity, and a seamless transition from stovetop to oven. Elevate your cooking game and create flavorful, memorable meals with this elegant and versatile cast iron cookware. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.